Hello everybody, it's Rich of Rich 220 Garage. This is for the Weisenheimers that are like, oh yeah, his mental mentality is the same as his engine repair. Okay, first of all, Bondo absorbs water. JB Quick and JB Well does not absorb water. It creates a water seal to prevent water from getting in. Okay, so this had a hole in it going right into the dash. There's no water inside, so much for that. These are like this because there was a lot of bubbles in here in the drain passage. It's not completed. Neither is that, neither is that. This, however, has to dry. So does this. Okay? This, on the other hand, has got to be cut out and replaced with new metal. It's rotted through. It's got cancer. Same over here. That had bubbles, no longer. There. This had paint peeling up off it. It's not done yet. There and there. Had bubbles here. It had bubbles there. And it had bubbles here. So, I'm only attacking what I can for right now. Because last Friday, we had a little bit of a problem. I put new hoses on it for the fuel filter. And a friend came over of his and used the jumper box. And oh, that's great. We got tread coming off of the tires. Yay. And the fuel filter, which is made out of metal, actually sprung a leak right at the seam on the end. So, yeah. Until we get a new fuel filter and get some new tires, because that thing is going to blow up, and figure out what to do with this bottom piece, which is going to require another piece of metal. So that plate's going to have to come off. This bumper is most likely going to have to come off, and that's got to be cut out and replaced with new metal. All right. I just figured keep you guys informed. That's what it's looking like right now. Still got a lot of work to do, but I don't want to start peeling off on this paint here. I think what I could do is I could take some, what do you call that, epoxy? Not epoxy. Rubbing compound and get those stains out. But he's going to have to sell this car before it continuously rots. So that's where we stand right now. There's not much more I can do at this moment. All right, folks, like and subscribe. Hit the bell for post notifications. And ring that bell. Leave a comment down below, like and subscribe. All right, folks. Catch you in the next one. Bye.